I made this. Excited.
I'm looking forward to it. Extremely nervous. Hope it fits. That's the system there.
Boost pump, boost the water speed. So you see that flow? So if I unplug it and stop it, let the pressure die down a bit. That's the flow start. At least 3 times. Yeah, I'll get you some yet. So that's how the boost pump increases the pressure, fills it a lot faster. That's up the pressure up to about 110 psi from normal tap pressure. Right. So if I unplug that, you see how far it drops? That's the pressure coming out of our tap.
I see, 40, yeah.
Bloody hell, yeah, that's increasing flow.
And what's that? How long will that take to fill up?
This tank here at 110 psi, about an hour and 15 minutes.
And how long would that take me normally to fill up?
Depending on your water pressure, could be anything to 6-7 hours.
So the reel's complete, is it?
Reel's all complete now. The tank's all in. The system's pretty much there. I think they're just finishing off the battery. Now they're doing the water test on the unit, and then we'll be off home. Phone calls, emails, haven't answered them all day.
Why you got that hose on there without a trigger?
Well, that's for my backpack. I'll show you. That's for my backpack, for my gardener backpack. And the idea is that I sort of make a decision on what sort of length I needed and put the trigger on to make life a lot easier, so you can just sort of do it up. But I said might as well just put it on now. And by putting it on, I'm not going to have any leaks in the back of the van. That's going to save me so much time. And even carrying the barrels, I won't have to carry any barrels ever again.
You're just filling up?
Yeah, I think they're just doing a fill up, showing me the filling up procedure.
You put your water into the port.
Okay.
You just fill at the back, and then we have the waste pipe in as well for the concentrate to go down the drain.
Ready to rock and roll as well.
Yes, I'll
Okay,
just
so
plug them in.
Yeah. So the water will come through the pipe, through to the pre-filters, through into the reverse osmosis membrane. As we spoke about earlier, it then splits between the concentrate and the permate. Concentrate comes out down the drain. Permate will come through into the deionization, and then through and into the tank. For us to set it running, the gate valve at the bottom of the membrane there, fully anti-clockwise, and you'll be flushing the membrane clockwise. You restrict it and you create back pressure, and that makes reverse osmosis occur.
Okay.
So that would be, you've basically got two positions: anti-clockwise for flushing, clockwise for production.
Right, okay. Oh, great. Wonderful, okay, brilliant.
Set, switch your tap on. I'll just switch it off at the moment. So, water's going through into the system, can't get past the solenoid valve until the solenoid valve is energised. So no water's going through at the moment.
I see, okay.
So that's your first stage, get the pipes connected to it. And then what you would do, pipes on, the gate valve at the bottom, we would turn that anti-clockwise.
So turn it and so
we're flushing now, so we've turned it fully anti-clockwise. This controller, up and down arrow buttons, we then switch it on to fill. So now the valve is opened and water is now flowing through the system and it's flushing the membrane.
Okay.
So when we look at the drain, there'll be plenty of water going through, but there won't be any water coming through the system, very little. But to create the pure water, we then turn the valve. Yes, you need to set up a routine.
Yeah.
Regular flushing is the key. So if you flushed it for half an hour every week, regularly, for the amount of times that you're going to fill the tank, that would be fine. And then maybe every month, flush it for an hour.
Right, okay.
Now if you're going to flush it for a longer period, it's always beneficial to disconnect the DI vessel.
Right.
So that when you flush it, DI vessel disconnected, get a bucket underneath it ready, and this will be a good experiment to do when you get back home anyway, is that pipe's disconnected, flushed it, turn the valve to production, and then you'll see water appear out of the pipe that's now going to run into your bucket.
Yeah.
If you measure the TDS immediately, it will be quite high, and then it will gradually fall, and will fall to the low double figures that we're aiming for.
And I can see that on that TDS reader in there. And how does that work? Inside the van?
The TDS reader will, we'll just come to that, you will see. So you see the TDS meter there, so we're reading on the output there, reading on the input, so you can see that the membrane is performing at 15.
Yeah.
When you get it back home, your TDS level will be different back home to what it is here.
Yeah.
But if you make a note that you know that in December this membrane was producing a TDS of 15.
Right.
In the future, you've got something to refer back to.
Right, okay.
But we can see that we're producing 0 into the tank.
Into the tank, yeah. Do the
Up
fill.
and down arrow keys together. And you switch the system on.
Right, okay. So
if you only wanted half a tank of water, you can interrupt it by up and down arrow keys again together, and you can hear the water stop. Display's gone blank.
Yeah. Okay.
The lid on the tank here is vented, so when the pumps start drawing water out, air can again go on to the tank.
Okay, so now that switched itself off. I've come back in the morning.
Yeah, so you will come to it in the morning, display is gone off, switch your tap off, and disconnect your pipes.
And away I go.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Easy. Okay, cool.
Scotty proof.
Scotty proof. Absolutely. I'm here at Pure Freedom. I've just had my system fitted. I'm Scotty from Reflection Infection for the Window Cleaning magazine.